want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Nowadays you don't know who gonna who fade. It's time to trust me, niggas be snakes. Today my birthday, I'm getting that cake. If it touch my hands, I'ma make it shake. Still bustin' down, selling apes and quakes. Jigging up things, watching out for the J's.
Good gang, it's your boy, it's the 6'4", man, back with another video, with another banger, man. Let me get this camera turned around for y'all, bro. Y'all see it, man. Let me show y'all real quick if y'all haven't seen the whip on the channel. This is it, man. Big 6'4". Y'all see the stripe. I did it myself, yes sir. DIY. Show y'all this aftermath from the swing event though. She surely is dirty. Look at it, bro. Dirty. Still got some tread left on there though. Yes, sir. Check the other side out. Still got a whole bunch of stuff stuck to it. I ain't touched it since we left. Since we came back, should I say. Yeah, I see it, man. She dirty. She real dirty. Yeah, man, like I said, I ain't even touched her since we went to the swing event. So, shit, I'm about to give y'all a real cold start, because I ain't started the thing since Wednesday. Hopefully she starts. Cleaned up, gang. Yes, sir. She clean now. Let's see it. About to head to this event. Wrap done by me, man. Let's get to it. Yes, sir. We back with another video. Back with another banger, man. Y'all see where we at. Y'all see where we at. I got my phone mounted right now, so it might get a little bouncy, but it is what it is, man. We back in the whip. Been a few days. I ain't drove it since Wednesday, Sunday. You feel me? It feels good to be back in here, man. It feels good. It's missed it. Say what? Forgetting about you? Yeah. What you mean forgetting about you? They can see you. They can see you, my boy. Y'all see him back there, man. Ain't nobody forgot about you. Anyway, man, we about to get into this video. About to slide to this event. Gotta support my people. Gotta support the gang, man. Coming out a little late because I had to work this morning, but we still popping out, man. Gotta slide by the store first, get some supplies, and then we gonna slide over there, man. Let's get back with y'all, man. Yes, sir, man. We missed the whip. We back in here, though, man. We live in the 6'4", baby. Y'all see where we at, man. We can't make it up. 6.4 liters, naturally aspirated V8, 485 horses. Not to the wheels though, but it feels good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, baby. Let's go. What you talking about? Boy, what you in, man? To see Z06? Damn, that shit clean, boy. Yes, sir. Y'all see who it is. Turo_704. Huh? I had to work, man. I had to work. Y'all see it, man. What's happening? What's happening? Y'all see what's going on outside. They outside, man. Let me go down here and swing around. As soon as we get out here, man, it start raining. As soon as we get out here, man, just clean it up. Just clean it up, bro. Y'all see it, man.
I'm not even believing it. Wow.
What's up?
Look at behind you. Behind you.
Hellcat, I know, my boy. The big 6-piston brakes. Hey, bro, y'all see what we got out here. We got Hellcats, we got Scats, 392s, we got Beamers. That's rich right there. It's probably an M3. Got a 5.7. Got a Scat. The M5. Boy, it started raining as soon as I get out here, my man. How you feeling?
Crazy, man. How you doing?
Good, good. Say what's up. Man, here we go, here we go. Slide in here. What's up? How y'all doing?
What's up, man?
What's going on? What's going on? How you doing? Yes, yes.
Good
Who do I
deal.
give them
You
to?
can give them to me. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
collecting. We just put them in from the rain. So
Oh, okay. Sounds
we're
good.
trying to- yeah. Hey, buddy. Hi.
Wanna check out these cars in here real quick?
Yeah.
Ah.
Mommy, that's the car.
Oh, you remember that from last time, huh? It looked bigger in here.
Yeah.
Way bigger in here. What's going on, boss?
Wait, Daddy.
Yeah, that
That's
thing is
Daddy.
huge.
Daddy.
Hold on, my boy.
Daddy, that's the same car we saw.
They gonna wrap that?
Daddy.
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
The white one? You saw it outside?
No, the black, the green one.
Where you see that? The last time we was over here?
Yeah. No,
Joshua
but
Rock.
the first time we were over there, now it's over here.
I know, right?
Oh, look at the ceiling. Look how high it is.
Telling you.
Super high.
That's clean, ain't it? Nuh-uh. Get off.
What's that for?
Get off.
What's that?
You got that Z06 right there. Boy.
06.
Yeah, that's clean.
Wow, that's big. Wait, it was barely in the rain.
Yeah, you just had it outside. That's clean, man. $797.
Dad. Oh no, Daddy.
What?
Look, we're trapped.
No, we're not. See, they're gonna wrap them. They're gonna change the color to a whole different color.
What color?
I don't know, whatever color they want.
I want not the white one to be green.
To be green.
Just,
That's your favorite color?
just.
Bruh, just washed it. Literally, in the rain. Get off of that. Come on. Y'all know we got Turo_704, man. Y'all know who car it is.
Look, he has an umbrella. You don't even have
That
an
Trapthon
umbrella.
CEO.
We don't even have our umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yeah, look.
It's not, I don't think we need one right now. What's going on, man? What's happening? What's happening? Got the Impalas. Look at everybody out. What's up?
Get that green one over there. Let's do the black one right there.
What's happening? What's happening? What's going on, boss man? How you feeling? Everything good with you?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, man?
Say what's up.
Good?
Pound it up, pound it up. Yeah, man. Chilling, man. Working this morning, got out here late. As soon as I got here, it started raining. Crazy.
Gotta keep it in that face on too much.
See that bite? Like that bite? Wow.
Every nigga off, every nigga wants on, everybody going.
What is this?
Pressure. Got that loud chopper, man. Dread Effect, Toro, Trapathon. Cody too clean. Going this way. What?
That one behind you.
I saw it. I saw it. We missed some cars down here though. We got all of these. But some down here next to mine. Clean. Don't touch. Check out the IG. I like them wheels on there. Yeah, that's clean. That wrap is crazy. Chameleon 6.2 underscore tape. That's with 2 watts.